Now, one of the things that students always email me is, hey, can you do live sessions, workshops, like a hands-on things, hands-on coding, so that we can learn kind of like in a class environment over Zoom or online? And I've been doing that for some time now using the workshop feature. So if you go to AzamSharp.school and click on the workshops, you can see that all of the upcoming workshops are available. So the one that's really coming up in a couple of days is on March 23rd. It is a workshop on server-side Swift using Vapor. Now, this is going to be a really good workshop because if you have been working with iOS development or Swift UI or UIKit and you have never really worked on the server, then this is going to enable you to become a full stack iOS developer. This means that you can work on the client, meaning the UIKit or Swift UI, but you can also work on the server, and the server is created in your favorite language, Swift. We're going to learn about routing. We're going to learn about MVC pattern. We're going to learn about database integration, consuming also APIs. So I'll have a very simple Swift UI application. I'll show you how you can consume the API that you created. And the best part is check out the price. I mean, come on. It's basically free. Basically free. Because these kind of workshops, which run for 2.5 to 3 hours, they cost in thousands of dollars. I am not kidding you. These workshops are going to cost very, very much. All right. And I've been teaching for like what, 7+ or 8+ years. So I've been running these workshops very much. I have experience. I pretty much run these things like every day when I'm teaching for a coding bootcamp. Now, there are other workshops coming up. Swift Data Fundamentals on April 6th, and then Introduction to Testing in iOS, April 27th. And I have made sure that the price of these workshops is $50 so that no matter where you are in the world, you can attend these workshops. I'll be presenting, I'll be doing the workshop live. You don't have to know anything about server-side Swift using Vapor. This is what you'll be learning in the workshop. So if you're interested, and you should be, because that's your next step. If you already have been working with iOS development, your next step should be to learn about servers, how to create your own server. And it's so much fun to do that. So check out AzamSharp.school, go to workshops and enroll in these workshops. These are amazing workshops with literally like $50, which is basically free. All right. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in one of my workshops.